en française.
For those that don't speak French,
No.
Oh no, you said it wrong.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Chopé.
cut.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it. Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev, and we're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
En France.
What did you say?
I said in France because that's where we are.
Oh, I kind of wondered why.
What do you mean you wondered? You've been hearing me parlez-vous français all week.
But today we have a special guest.
That's right. Ready?
Ready.
Chantal.
She's gonna help us with our recipe today. It's actually her recipe. Super simple. We told her their criteria, right, Ken?
Super easy, tasty,
Yeah.
so simple even a dude can make it.
Voilà. Voilà. C'est ça. C'est
Okay.
tout à fait ça.
So what are we gonna make today en France?
Saumon en papillote.
Wow. It sounds much more elegant.
salmon and tinfoil.
Yeah.
Aluminum foil, to be
Aluminum
exact.
foil, right? Aluminum foil.
C'est plus poétique en français.
Wow. C'est plus, it's very authentic French.
Ouais.
Nice.
Poétique.
I'm gonna try and translate, but I'm gonna butch it up for sure.
Okay, so hang with us. We're gonna show you the ingredients right after this, right?
That's right, we'll be right back.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. And the weather is perfect.
And then video me. Buddy, we're here at a street fair. We're doing it. It's the Bistro Brothers. That's right, baby. We had to pay to get the cart, and then they make you send it back to get your money back. That's the oldest bridge, or that bridge, but then the moat. This is the moat. You know, they
moat
got
for the
a
castle.
boat around the castle. Oh, there's the castle.
Where?
Up there, see it? Oh, yeah. Check it out. We'll walk through these narrow streets with these little shops and stuff. How deep, Ken?
I think you give up on the shorts.
We're back in France, and look at what we got.
It doesn't look too hard.
No.
Oh,
But what is
no.
this thing that she's got here? I'm not sure.
Un poireau.
What?
Un poireau.
A leek.
Oui, c'est ça.
Wait, I know what this is.
Ah ben,
Salmon.
oui, c'est ça. C'est bon. Et ça?
And
Salmon.
that is smoked
Oui,
salmon.
ah, voilà, saumon fumé. Voilà, exactement, saumon fumé.
Ooh, I
Tomate.
know what that is too. Tomate.
Bien,
Tomato.
tomate.
Cucumber.
Mais non.
You always get that wrong.
Zucchini.
Voilà, courgette.
Courgette.
Courgette. Courgette.
And then our condiments
Got
go
pepper.
with it, right? We got salt and
Wow.
pepper.
Aneth. Dill.
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 Okay, okay.
Baie rose.
That's red pepper.
Ouais. Coriandre.
Coriandre, which we just found out is cilantro.
Oui, c'est ça.
And lemon.
Citron.
Citron.
Citron, lemon.
Sel.
And when you say your R's in French, you got citron.
Citron.
Say it like you mean it, right?
Et j'ai oublié le papier aluminium.
Ah, that's right. We forgot
Aluminum.
the aluminum foil. Because that's what we're going to wrap all this stuff up in. When
Voilà.
She's got her aluminum.
Et voilà.
She's putting the leek, so it's like a food processor.
Right.
C'est un mixeur.
Thermomix.
Yeah. C'est un mixeur qui cuit en même temps.
Ken?
And off camera, she cut the leek. She cut just the white part.
Yeah.
That's what you
C'est
did.
meilleur. Oui.
Yeah.
Parce que le vert, c'est toujours plus dur.
Oh, it's very, very tough. The green is very tough. How am I doing?
Bien. Une cuillère à soupe d'huile d'olive.
A little bit of olive.
Voilà.
Looks like a tablespoon.
Voilà. Dedans.
Okay.
C'est tout.
That's it.
It cooks it in here, but she's gonna cook it on the oven because that's the stove, because that's what we would do in the States, right? So she basically just used this as a food processor, and it's gonna come off thin, and she's gonna put it in the pan with a little bit of olive oil.
It has to be a little bit tender.
Okay.
Ça doit être plus tendre. Because it cooks a little bit longer than the salmon.
Right.
And otherwise the salmon
Will be ready.
Yeah.
but that will be still...
I see.
Not quite ready. Okay. This is our slicer dicer for our zucchini. So one zucchini for 2 people.
No, half of the zucchini.
Half of the zucchini for 2
One zucchini for 4.
people. Okay. Here we are. We're coming out with the finished product. Chantal's doing it here. Chantal's finished product. What do you think, Kim?
It's very tender.
Very tender, very
looks
thin.
like, it looks a little bit like cabbage.
Yeah, but it's not.
But it's Do we need to do anything with the lemon?
Alors, au pays, on va le couper en tranches aussi. Il faut enlever la peau.
Oh, we gotta pull the skin off the back.
Alors, j'en ai
You already
déjà
did one.
fait un.
That's mine. I did mine already.
Ah, le menteur. Oh, big liar.
Okay, show me how.
Voilà,
So start with the thick side,
voilà, voilà.
and try and get my fingernails under there. Pull the
Yeah.
skin off.
And you
Okay.
do it very carefully.
I don't do much carefully. Okay, there it
Yes,
comes. There it comes.
very easily. It's very easy. Voilà.
This way you don't have to pull the skin off after you cook it. It's all...
And be careful at the end because
Oh.
it's very thin.
Yeah, very.
Attention, c'est très fin. C'est délicat. Kevin.
It's delicate. I got that. It's delicate.
Kevin,
Yes.
you put tomatoes here, like that.
Just like that?
Not everything. Only 4. Only 2 or 3. Yeah, 3. It's okay. Voilà. Tu mets le saumon.
The salmon.
Ouais.
I'm gonna get this one because it looks prettier. Is it on top?
Ouais.
Wet means yes.
Okay.
I got that. Guys.
Après, tu ajoutes une tranche de saumon.
One piece of smoked salmon.
Voilà.
Wow, this stuff looks, it smells good. On top?
Oui, ouais, tout simplement.
Nice.
Ça, voilà. Après, tu ajoutes les épices. Alors,
Spicy.
Oh, spice.
voilà.
Okay, a
La
little
nette.
bit of...
So we're gonna season it to taste.
Alors, tu peux en mettre beaucoup, hein.
You can put a lot of that on
Vas-y,
there.
vas-y,
Okay.
vas-y. Ah ouais, vas-y.
More.
Ah oui, vas-y.
Are you guys catching this? Because I'm not catching it.
Come on.
Go.
C'est
Wow.
bon.
That's a lot.
Ouais, mais oui, on aime ça. Like that. Ensuite, on va mettre un peu de... D'abord, on va mettre le poireau.
This
Ouais,
on top?
ouais.
Like half or?
Ah, ouais, because it's enough for 2, so you put
Okay.
half of the pan. Voilà.
That's one thing I learned in France is they don't very often say
Voilà.
oui.
Hop,
They say ouais.
ouais.
That means yeah.
Yeah. On est comme vous, hein. Après, tu ajoutes les courgettes.
A bunch?
Alors, comme ça, sur les côtés.
Oh wow, a lot. Okay.
Comme
Oh, on the
ça.
side, I see.
Okay, on the side.
Comme ça. Voilà.
Oh, it's just the green. This is our green.
Yeah.
We're gonna get plenty of green.
Beaucoup de légumes.
And she said the zucchini was a half a zucchini serves 2 people because it's pretty thin slice here. And it only takes about, I think this only takes about 10 minutes in the oven. We said it was at 400, I think.
Yeah.
Right?
Alors, on
So,
rajoute
little
un
bit
peu
of
de
salt.
sel.
A little bit of salt, okay.
Voilà.
This is coarse. That's it?
C'est tout. Ah,
Okay.
citron.
Oh, lemon. We gotta have the lemon.
Lemon on the top.
Voilà.
Okay.
And then we roll it.
Fold it.
And roll it.
Ah, une tomate qui...
One got away.
Elle est vivante. She's still alive.
Still alive.
Oh, la vilaine.
Okay. And a little tent.
On fait, hop, on plie. Voilà, on plie.
Wow, that was good.
It's the French version of a hot pocket. Chantal's got our hot pockets all ready to go here. And the oven has been preheating at 400 degrees.
C'est ça.
It's 210 Celsius for those of you that are counting. And she's going into the oven. Okay, we're back.
All right.
Let's see the big reveal.
Did you hear that? It was a French bell. Gong, gong. It's an alarm. It's ready. The alarm is ready. Here it comes. Look at it.
Wow.
Alors,
How do you say cute? Mignon?
c'est mis. Ah, c'est joli.
C'est joli. Very pretty.
C'est sympa.
Okay, so I'm assuming that this is very hot.
Yeah,
So we can't just open it with our hands.
we can.
You can't, we
Yeah,
can't.
we
Okay.
can because we are Vikings.
Years of practice. Ooh, I can see the steam coming off it.
Wow, look at that, Ken.
Okay, that looks pretty fantastic.
Oh yeah, we're gonna slide it onto the plate so it looks pretty.
C'est
Very
prêt.
nice.
We're at our French family.
That's right. If you haven't found French language lessons, this is the place to find them.
That's right. Or if you just want to experience the culture.
Yeah.
Like,
Easy
if you just wanna
French
hang-
with Elaine, Elian, and Chantal. And we'll
That's
put a
right.
link in the description so you guys can find it. This thing is amazing. Chantal and Stefan and their mother are here with
You're
us.
just like one of the family. Come on in, join the family.
So we're gonna taste this bad boy now. Ready, Kev?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Bon appétit.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. How is it?
Wow.
Oh yeah. And this is just a small sample of the food that she makes while you're here. It's been amazing.
Yeah. So, if you haven't subscribed to our Brothers Bistro YouTube channel, you're on YouTube, so what are you waiting for?
That's right.
Hit the thumbs up. Give
Turn
us
on
a-
the post notifications.
Yeah, give us a big like, and, you know,
Subscribe.
we'll see you next time.